This video was sponsored by Squeak God. Squeak God.
Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Vasile Garage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazy Man Garage. You're watching Lazy Man Garage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazy Man Garage.
Hi, I'm Chris from Lazy Man Garage. Are you tired of having a broken windshield? Well, today we're going to find out how to change it. Come on with me in the Lazy Man Garage shop. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is you want to get yourself a windshield removal tool from Harbor Freight. Second thing you want to do is you want to locate the windshield. I think I found it. Here it is. Located the windshield. There it is. You grab this shiv and you take it on over to the side of the windshield and you stick it on inside a hole and you give it a little wiggle until it goes all the way through. Let's see how long this takes me. There it is. There it is. It's inside there. Step 4, which what you're going to want to do is get yourself this here wiper windshield removal tool set. Damn it. God damn it. So what you essentially do is attach the wire to the end of the damn thing right there. First make your incision hole using this, and then you just push the wire on through. Keep going, don't be intimidated. Don't be scared now. Now that the wire is through, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this area and put it right through that little hole, like so. See if I can do it with one hand. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. And I can't. And you're going to want to tie a knot at the end of it. See? It's not. You can pull it. Get as much string as you need in order for you to pull it, because you're going to be sawing the glue out of here. So now that we have the thing connected, we're going to pull this bitch out. And then we're going to attach the other piece. Yeah, you can see I'm a mess here. We're going to attach this piece to the other one, which is right here. I can get it out of the bag. Okay, cool. I'm going to attach it to here. You're going to wrap it around inside that hole, and then you're going to tie a little knot, and then you're going to start sawing your way through. I'll show you what I mean in a second here. Okay. So what essentially you're going to do now is saw your way through. Now you have one inside, one outside. You're just going to saw. Dana made this look a lot easier than it is. So as I'm doing it, I notice that smoke is coming out, but I can see the glue don't mind the noise. I can see the glue coming off, as you guys see here. So it's doing its job. I just don't know how I'm going to get it across this corner right here. Damn. Tiring. I gotta remove these. Yeah. Okay. So you just pull your side up. Just pull it. Like that. If you can, get more of an angle on it. Like a sideways angle, like a triangle. Go. Are we on the plastic now? Fuck. Again with this shit. Give me the wire again, please. Take 754. Wire kept snapping on me because of the plastics that go here on against the window. I got my friend Marky over here helping me out because he's going to be sawing one side, and I'm going to saw the other side. You got it?
Pull that through. Just pull it. I just didn't make it sure you can go through that.
Let me see.
There we go.
There you go. He's tying his end of the knot on the mechanism, and then we're going to start shredding it. Hopefully this doesn't fuck up again, because we got all the way from here to the corner, all the way to about right here, and that's kind of where it stopped. So let's continue doing this. Wait, not too much tension. Kind of keep it straight a little bit, but like at an angle. Okay, not that much. Go. Well, I got half the windshield out. It decided to snap on me halfway through, so I got a bunch of glass all inside the car. I'm gonna need to grab a vacuum or something, the shop vac from Louise's house. Currently cleaning up all the bits because I had to carry it out to the trash can. I talked to the trash lady and she said it is good to go into the trash can. So I said, bet. But man, this is not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to clean up a bunch of glass. Shout out to Squeak, Squeak God. This video is sponsored by Squeak God, Squeak God _ Squeak God. Oh no, wait. The video, his Instagram is Squeak God _ I'll put it right here, right in this little doohickey. But I gotta vacuum all this, and that gives me. Oh, you know what? Since the windshield's out, it gives me room to change these out to the MPC bolt hardware that I can put in here, so I don't have to worry about it being broken ass clips anymore. So that's cool. Yeah, pieces of glass. It was cutting the glass. It was doing its job. Look, as you can see, it was doing its job until it gets to the corners and it started cutting into the glass, and it would shatter and it would fall all over the place. And this is all this glue, so I got to vacuum everything up first before I can even get rid of this with the grinder that I have. The grinder I have with the wire wheel that's over there. Big aggressive wire wheel. We're gonna get rid of all this, make it nice and clean, and then we're going to PR15 it just to be on the safe side like Dana did. Don't want to take any risks because I can already see rust, and I'm not gonna have that happen on this car. Fuck that. Alright, after it smelling like absolute ass in here, the wire worked fantastic until I got to the corners like I said. So what I did with this was I took the propane torch and I just lit it up underneath, which released the glue, and I used a really long flathead screwdriver and just pressed along, and it took it right out. So there's the other piece of the glass I need to throw away, but now there is no more windshield. And the reason why I wanted to remove it, it was to see, because I saw this little speck right here of dust, rust on top. And I saw that over there and a little bit right here. So I wanted to address the situation and see how bad it was before I had to treat it. And you can see that this window seal is no good anymore because it's, well, obviously because I fucking ripped it, but you can see where the rust is, where it would seal and it wasn't doing its job because it's 30-year-old rubber. As I was taking it apart, I noticed that there were some parts of the, let me turn this around so I can see what I'm doing. I noticed that there were some parts of the seal that were already loose from the glass, which meant that rust and moisture could get in. So the seal was already coming off regardless. The windshield was already broken. It already had a crack in it, and it just progressively got worse over time. So now it's time to clean up. And if I had a vacuum, I'd suck up all this glass so that way I can wire brush it and see how bad it is. But unfortunately, my friend has the shop vac at the house, so I can't really do much. But now I'm just gonna throw this glass away for the time being. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smack that like button. Please make sure to turn on your notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload. If you guys want anything from my sponsors, the links are down below. Save your guys self some monies. My name is Chris from Lazy Man Garage, and I'm lazy so you don't have to be. Peace.